Hey everyone, it's Brian, your honest mechanic. Today I want to talk about a part of your vehicle that controls pretty much everything related to the engine and transmission, the Engine Control Module or ECM. This computer is the brains of all engine management components. When it goes bad, it can cause all sorts of problems. I want to walk you through the common symptoms so you know what to look out for. Your Engine Control Module is the central computer responsible for controlling all aspects of your engine's operation. It does this by reading input signals from sensors and calculating the appropriate output signals to maintain engine performance. Things like fuel mixture, ignition timing, valve control, and even transmission shifting are all controlled by your ECM. Over time, the ECM starts to degrade, leading to common warning signs that it may be going bad or even completely failing soon. Here are the top signs of ECM failure I see regularly in the shop. Number 1. Random stalling or dying out suddenly. This can happen when coming to a stop or while driving without warning. The ECM relies on accurate sensor readings to calculate the proper idle speed. If it cannot determine or maintain a steady idle, your car or truck may stall randomly. Number 2. A crank but no start condition or very difficult starts. Successfully starting the engine requires the exact coordination of fuel mixture, ignition timing, and multiple other factors. Any issues with sensors or operation can lead to hard starting problems and extended cranking time, often with no ignition at all. Number 3, poor fuel economy and noticeable loss of power. One of the ECM's most important jobs is controlling the fuel-to-air ratio for maximum engine performance. Deterioration in the ECM can lead to a less optimal mix, causing reduced fuel mileage and acceleration issues. Number 4, rough idling or fluctuating RPMs at stoplights. Very similar to stalling, a struggling ECM has difficulty regulating a steady idle speed, and fluctuations in the idle are common. It may bounce around at stops unpredictable before you experience the next symptom, stalling out entirely. Number 5, check engine light comes on with trouble codes stored. Your ECM detects issues by analyzing voltage signals from sensors across engine systems. It's designed to catch problems this way. Any sensor faults will be flagged by diagnostic trouble codes with the check engine light illuminated. And finally, number 6, complete catastrophic failure or no functionality of the ECM. Over time, all that electrical sensor input and output for engine components takes a toll through wear and tear. Eventually, the module itself fails, taking control of your engine down with it. Your vehicle may not run at all in this scenario. So in review, the major warning signs pointing to ECM trouble are stalling, hard starting, reduced power and performance, incorrect idling, stored diagnostic trouble codes, and finally complete ECU failure. Catching ECM problems early allows the module to be repaired or replaced before catalytic damage to the engine occurs. Diagnosing the root cause through trouble code scanning can save you money over replacing the computer right away. Modules can sometimes be rebuilt affordably as well.